There's one sentence I paste at the end of almost every AI prompt I write, and it gets ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, basically any tool to stop guessing what I actually want. Here it is. Ask me 3 to 5 clarifying questions so you are 99% certain of what I want you to do. That's the whole thing. It looks way too simple to matter, but this one line fixes the single biggest reason AI output goes wrong. Because here's the truth. Most of the time, your prompt isn't bad. It's just missing context. The AI doesn't know your real goal, your audience, your format, or what a good result even looks like. So it does the only thing it can. It fills in the blanks and it guesses. And the second it starts guessing, you get that answer that looks fine for 2 seconds. Until you read it again and think, yeah, that's not what I meant. So let me show you the difference with a real one. Say you write a LinkedIn post about AI automation for small businesses. Now that prompt isn't terrible, but it's wide open. So the AI hands you something generic about saving time and being more productive. Technically on topic, completely forgettable, because it still has no idea who the post is for, what angle you want, or what readers should do at the end. Now watch what happens when you add the line. Same prompt, plus, ask me 3 to 5 clarifying questions so you are 99% certain of what I want you to do. Instead of firing off the post, the AI stops and asks first, who's the reader, what angle you're going for, which examples to pull in, the tone, the call to action, and that right there is the whole point. You're not asking it to write more, you're asking it to understand first. Real quick, if you want more simple AI prompts and breakdowns like this, head over to aifire.co. We send out daily AI tools, tips, and workflows, all built for people who want real results instead of random guesses. It's free. Go grab it, then come right back. Alright, back to the good part. This gets even clearer with an image. Say you're making a marketing image for a landscaping company, and you tell Gemini, create a side-by-side image showing a neglected lawn next to a healthy, well-maintained lawn. Realistic style for marketing. Gemini spits it out instantly, and at first glance, it looks right. Messy lawn on one side, clean green lawn on the other. But there's one problem. It made 2 completely different houses, and that quietly breaks the whole message. Now it reads as a comparison between 2 random yards. What you actually wanted was a transformation. Same house, same angle, before and after the work. So Gemini nailed the words and missed the point. So you run it again, this time with the clarifying line on the end. And now Gemini doesn't rush. It asks first, and the questions are sharp. It wants to know if this should be 2 panels or 1 continuous scene, how rough the bad lawn should look, and how polished the good side needs to be. Then the big one. How consistent the 2 sides have to stay, which is the exact thing that broke the first image. You answer those, and the final prompt gets specific. Same property, same camera angle, a clean before and after split. The house, the driveway, the fence, the background, all locked in place. Only the lawn changes. And this time, the image actually works. The left side looks neglected, the right side looks cleaned up, and the viewer gets the story in a second, before and after, not 2 strangers' yards. That's the gap between a prompt that's technically correct and a prompt that gives you what you needed. And it's why this trick works at all. It doesn't make the AI smarter, it just hands over the missing context before anything gets built. Now, I don't use the exact same line for everything. I keep 4 versions on hand, depending on the job. The basic one is for everyday stuff. Quick replies, summaries, simple plans. It just makes the AI confirm the goal and the constraints before it answers. The business version is for strategy and decisions. It asks about your objective, your audience, your budget, your timeline, and how you'll measure success. Because business advice with no context is always generic. The image version is for visuals and ads. It digs into style, branding, platform, and what to avoid, which is exactly what saves you from that 2 houses problem. And the content version is for posts, scripts, and newsletters. It asks about your platform, your hook, your tone, and your call to action before it writes a single word. You just grab the one that fits, drop in your task, and let it ask. If you want the full system, it's 5 quick steps. Write your rough prompt first and don't overthink it. Just say what you want, then add the clarifying line. Answer the questions it fires back with short replies. A few words each is plenty. Then comes the step almost everyone skips. Before the AI writes the final thing, ask it to summarize the brief back to you. That one move catches wrong assumptions early while they're still cheap to fix. If it misread your goal, you see it right there before it wastes a full draft on the wrong idea. And last, save your best version as a template so you never type it from scratch again. To make that last part automatic, use a text expander. On Chrome, Text Blaze lets you set a shortcut like /follow-up and your whole prompt drops in anywhere you type. Just know it's tied to your Chrome profile, so switching accounts means setting it up again. On Mac, Raycast does the same thing, system-wide, from one keyboard shortcut. So here's the takeaway. Don't just ask AI to answer, make it understand first. Because most bad output happens before the AI writes a single word, the moment it starts with missing context. This one sentence fixes that. Add it to the end of your next prompt, then read the questions it asks back. One of them is probably the exact detail that's been quietly wrecking your prompts this whole time. Try it on one real task today, then drop a comment and tell me which task you ran it on first. I rate every single one.